Hey guys, Linda Vodder here. Well, it may be a beautiful evening tonight, but I promise you I'm standing on the site of one of our most recent weather disasters. Last fall, a huge limb came off in a windstorm. It was really heavy, came off this 100-year-old oak tree, and it crashed down, decimating the backside of an established azalea hedge. I was absolutely heartbroken. So I feel like I spend as much time looking for silver linings as I do my pruners these days. But I found my silver lining, and it was actually white Encore Azaleas. I planted a couple of varieties. I planted autumn lily and autumn ivory. The autumn lily will get a little bit taller in the back to about 4.5 to 5 feet. It will quickly help me fill out this established damaged hedge. And then I planted a couple lower growing ones in front of this stone and brick wall. It's going to be really beautiful. That white color and its glossy foliage is going to illuminate this space, which is also perfect for azaleas because it's got kind of slightly acidic soil. I'm also really excited because I wanted to add more white year-round in my summer and in my autumn garden. And Encore Azaleas, because they rebloom, are going to be just the ticket. Plus, in my garden, I don't think it's worth planting if I can't cut it and bring it inside. And these gorgeous white blooms are going to be perfect in some of my flower arrangements. So if you too are looking for your silver lining, then you might want to try one of the 31 varieties of reblooming Encore Azaleas.